Hello, welcome to my channel once again. It's more coins. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. When I started my crypto journey, I made this mistake and I wish someone told me about this. I wish I saw this video and I would have not done this kind of mistake. That is why you as a newbie, this video is a must for you to watch so that you will not make this same mistake that I made. This video will act as a shortcut to you so that you will not make some mistakes that expert traders today made when they. So in this video, I'll be showing you 7 crypto mistakes newbies always do. Number 1 in the list is buying coin they know nothing about. There is a saying cryptocurrencies, learn before you earn. This thing is very, very important. It's not just a saying, it is something, it's an advice, it's a must do. You must learn before you earn. You must learn about a coin before you jump into buying that coin. You must learn about a coin before you think of investing in that coin. Because when you invest in a coin you know nothing about, that coin may dump. And when it dumps, you lose all your money. Now, shit coins are coins that are valueless. And when you see them, you buy them because they are cheap without making any research about them. And when you wake up the next morning, your money is gone. Learn before you earn. Buying a coin you know nothing about will put your money at risk. Number 2 in the list is FOMO, buying high and selling low. Now, FOMO in cryptocurrency means fear of missing out. Fear of missing out. Now, a lot of newbies in the crypto space, when they see a coin pumping and booming, they will be afraid of missing out because they are afraid of missing out. They will jump right into the coin. And when a coin is going up and you enters in, there is a possibility that it will start going down because cryptocurrency is volatile. Whenever it goes up, there is a possibility, there is a sure that it must surely come down. So when you see a coin that have gone up to a certain level due to fear of missing out and you put money, you can see that you are actually buying high and you'll be selling low. And when you put your money, when you buy at that high price and the price started going low due to you are afraid of losing your money, you will also FOMO, fear of missing out, and you will sell your coin you cannot hold. And because you cannot hold, you will lose your money. Fear of missing high, buying high and selling low. That is just like doing the opposite of what you're supposed to do in cryptocurrency. The third in our list is buying because it's cheap. Now, when I said buying because it's cheap, you see a lot of people that are going through this and you see them, they will quickly go and buy the coin because that coin is actually cheap. Now, you buying the coin, have you made research about that coin? Have you found out the market capitalization of that coin? Have you found out the projects behind that coin? Have you found out the people behind that coin? Have you found out their motive for the coin? Have you found out the utilities for the coin? You must find out all these things before you buy a coin. You don't just buy a coin because it's cheap. That coin that is cheap may tomorrow rise, then dump, and then you lose all your money and goes back to zero. There are a series of examples of coins like that. A lot of people bought that coin. That coin rose to 100 or something, but presently now the coin is nothing. So buying because it's cheap is actually a wrong thing to do. Using leverage. A lot of crypto newbies just jump into trading futures without knowing anything about crypto. Why will you go and trade future when you know nothing about future? When you know nothing about future, you know nothing about leverage, and you see a lot of them leveraging at times 20, leveraging at times 50, times 100. You are leveraging at times 100. Do you know what leverage means? Have you made research? Have you studied? Do you know what TA is? You are a crypto newbie. You shouldn't be using leverage. Leverage is for risk traders. It's for day traders. It's for expert traders. Those are the people who use leverage. So as a crypto newbie, you are not supposed to be using leverage while trading. In fact, you are not supposed to go near future trading. What is leverage? Leverage is kind of a multiplier. It multiplies your asset you are using to trade. Let's say, for example, you want to trade with $5, and when you put a times 10 leverage, it multiplies that your $5 by 10. Or you're trading with $100. It's kind of, you are borrowing extra 400, adding to your 100, making it 500. So you will now be trading with $500. So whatever profit you make, you take a profit, you pay back the money you borrowed. That is leverage. It's also applicable in the opposite side. If you are not making profit, you are making loss, it also multiplies your loss as well as it multiplies your profit. So as a newbie, you are not supposed to use leverage because your coin can be, or your money, your capital can be liquidated. Liquidation simply means when you are losing and it keeps multiplying because of the leverage, and it gets up to a particular point, that is the liquidation point, and your money vanishes. The number 5 in our list is investing more than you can afford to lose. Investing more than you can afford to lose. Now, there is a saying in cryptocurrencies that says, invest what you can afford to lose. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't go and borrow money and invest. It is very wrong as a crypto trader, as a newbie. When I was still a newbie in cryptocurrency, I thought of it, whoa, Bitcoin is going high. Let me go and borrow money from bank. Then When the coin goes up, I will withdraw it and pay back the bank and take the profit. That is very, very wrong. Maybe you have thought so. You invest only what you can afford to lose. You invest only the money that when the coin disappoints you, you will not feel bad about it. That is why it's advisable as a newbie. You always invest that $10 that when you lose it, it will not affect you, it will not pain you. Don't use the money you're supposed to eat and invest as a newbie. This is the mistake that most newbies make. They invest $100 because they have been told that, well, cryptocurrency is going to make you a millionaire in 2 days. They invest $1 million. They invest what they cannot afford to lose. So it is very wrong as a newbie to invest what you can afford to lose. The number 6 in our list is not having a plan, not having a trading plan. Now, a lot of newbies, they just come into the cryptocurrency space because they are being told that this coin is going to do like this coin is going to do. They just go in and buy the coin. Why are you buying the coin? Are you buying it to sell tomorrow? Are you buying to sell in the next hour? Why are you buying the coin? You should have a trading plan. Are you a day trader? Do you want to be a day trader? You want to be trading spot? You want to be trading futures? You want to be an investor? You want to leave your coin for 5 to 10 years? Why are you buying? You should have a plan. You should have a buying plan or a selling plan. The number 7 in our list is having no knowledge about crypto. Now, I made this point, the last point, because this point is very, 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 very important. In the crypto space, like as we were starting, I told you that the saying in crypto that said, learn before you earn. Now, knowing nothing about crypto at large is very, very dangerous for a newbie. So before you start trading, before you put your money into cryptocurrency, first of all, know what cryptocurrency is. What is cryptocurrency? Ask yourself that question and answer it. What is cryptocurrency? Meanwhile, if you want to know more about cryptocurrency, if you want to know what cryptocurrency is really is, check the description below and you will see a link to the video I made about what cryptocurrency is. I in detail explain what cryptocurrency is in the description below. You will see a link to my book in Amazon. You can get the book. It explains everything about DeFi. It tells you what DeFi is, how bank and DeFi are related, and how DeFi is better than bank. So go ahead, get those, read them, learn about cryptocurrency before you start trading. Learn about cryptocurrency before you put that your money that you cannot afford to lose in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is volatile. Do you know that? Before you start trading cryptocurrency, you should know that it's a risk game. Do you know that? You should know all this thing before you start trading cryptocurrency. In cryptocurrency, you must be ready to lose your money. Do you know that? In cryptocurrency, you must be ready to lose thousands of dollars. In cryptocurrency, you must be ready to forfeit. You must be ready to take loss. You must be ready to take profit. Do you know all this? You must have a lot of knowledge concerning cryptocurrency before you start trading, before you go into crypto. So I've successfully given you the 7 crypto mistakes newbies always make. So I will advise you that before you buy a coin, try to make research about that coin. When you see a coin going high, don't jump into it because it's very dangerous. You might end up being among the people that FOMO by buying high and selling low. Don't buy a coin because it's cheap. Make a research about that coin. Find out the market capitalization. Find out the project behind the coin. Find out the utilities of that coin. Make a research. It is called fundamental analysis. Make a fundamental analysis of that coin. Know the fundamental analysis of the coin. Using leverage. You don't just use leverage as a newbie. You don't trade future as a newbie you are. Don't trade future. It is very, very dangerous. Simply trade your normal spot without using leverage. Simply buy and you sell whenever you want to. Don't use leverage. Before you can use leverage, you must know what technical analysis means, TA, and you must know what fundamental analysis, you must know what risk, you must know what taking profit, short and long, you must know what all these things means before you can use leverage to trade futures. Investing more than you can afford to lose is very dangerous. Don't invest that money that you can't afford to lose. Not having a plan, you need to have a trading plan. You need to have a long-term plan and also a short-term plan. You need to decide if you are trading short or you are trading long or you are investing or you are buying to sell in 20 years to come. You must have a lot of knowledge about this thing before you start trading crypto. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscription button and also click the notification bell so that you can also be notified whenever I post edifying and educative videos. Remember, I'm your crypto instructor, more coin. So click on the subscribe button, like this video and share it. Now the question for today: what mistake have you made in crypto since you started cryptocurrency? Tell me in the comment section below.